He hua nui, te hua kiwi kia ngai Māori, engari e ai kia Tomi Kapai me mutu te whakamahi i te pū mātu Hicane ki ngā hua kiwi.
Hicane is actually hydrogen cyanamide. If you want to know what hydrogen cyanamide is, the thing that we know best is what's called Agent Orange. It's a defoliant. And in the Vietnam War, they used Agent Orange to clear away the jungle so our soldiers could see the enemy. So it's a defoliant, but it's also a very, very bad one.
Nō te wiki nei, tū ai tētahi hui e kōrero tia ana te whakamahi i te pū mātu Hicane puta noa i Aotearoa.
A lot of people, our people, got very sick from exposure to hydrogen cyanamide, Hicane, Agent Orange, and a wonderful Māori fellow called Joe Harawira was a campaigner for those fellows who came home and got sick, and many died from being exposed to this highly carcinogenic poison, and that's what Hicane is.
E ai ki ngā tatauranga, he te Kapai hiniti o ngā hua kiwi ka tuku atu ki tā wāhi. Ia humai i ngā kaiwhakatipu Māori. Heoi e ai kia rātahi cross nō te tārahiti o ngai tūkairangi. He kaupapa nui tēnei mā rātau.
I think that we're always looking for, and especially with Ngāi Tūkairangi and others that are part of the Huka Pack whānau, is we're always looking for alternatives to chemicals, especially unnatural chemicals. We're always looking for those alternatives. We're doing some of those changes now. A lot of the pest chemicals we use, we're eliminating those and doing pest removal manually instead, and trying to adopt using mechanical processes for removal. Our kids are going to inherit what we put in our whenua and in our water. So yeah, this is not banging the drum at our own. It's just, what did Api Rananata say? The taiaha of knowledge will solve all our problems. Let's collectively come together with good knowledge and come up with a way of protecting our whenua.
Engari, kei reira te hunga e whakaheana me nā ka aukati te pū mātu Hicane.
We oppose a ban, and the reason we oppose a ban is because growers tell us, and science supports the fact that if it's used properly in accordance with the label, then it's not a danger to people or the environment. But what growers also tell us is it's really important for them and their business. It helps set their orchards up for success every season.
Heoi, ko te tumanako ai ka whai oranga te iwi Māori i tēnei kaupapa a kua nei. Keira Williams, atu i te reo irirangi o Moana, ma Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.